on changing things up a bit. And I'm so glad this happened. It turns out that I actually found something I really enjoy. And so much so, I've made a new YouTube channel. It's called Josh the DIY Guy. Please go check it out. The link's in the description below. And I'm going to be saving this channel, Josh Yoruda, more for my corporate social media and personal branding stuff. It just makes more sense, as it's really confusing, as this channel has been a sandbox with a whole lot of stuff on it. And so I'm going to be clearing it up and just keeping that social media content and business stuff here, and doing all the fun hacks and how-to and DIY videos over on Josh the DIY Guy channel. I really appreciate your support and each and every one of you that have commented on my videos. It really means a lot to me. So please check out the link in the description below and head on over to my new channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.